Hi, it's Geoffrey Zakarian. Time for... So I carry a knapsack, a black one. I've had this for years. Always packed. It's not pretty. But the thing I always take are my rollers because I do a lot of ab workout, and these are fantastic. Also, I have a scarf because you never know when I go from like Miami or come to New York, I don't have a scarf I just put on just to look cool, but just keep my neck protected so I don't get sick. I know you know what these are. And then I have some chocolate. This is my, my real sort of savior. When I'm feeling down, it's true. A little chocolate helps. So this is really good chocolate. I have a nap kit. It's named Dapper. I don't know who named it that. Let's see what's inside. Vital proteins. This is a collagen shot. I love these. I don't know if they work, but I feel like I'm doing something good for myself. It's sort of probably great marketing and really like I'm just wasting money, but I feel better when I take it. Whole bunch of other stuff in here, but what's really important and I want to share with you is I have a very strict regime for my face. I really want to take care of my skin, and I use this beautiful Actives, Macreen Actives. It's really fantastic. Okay, so I have a lot of reading material because I come back and forth to Westchester, so I have books and magazines, and I'm reading a travel magazine about hotels. Lots of pictures. I love pictures. I don't like laptops or iPads to read. I know people do that in planes. I'm old-fashioned. I read newspapers. You know those things with paper? Yeah, I actually read those. I have subscriptions to newspapers. People think I'm nuts. An architectural magazine with lots of great pictures. Unfortunately, I bought the one in Spanish. I was too quick to figure it out, but this one is, you don't need to even know what it says because the pictures in an architectural magazine, it's what it's all about. Look how beautiful that is. Very inspirational. An economics textbook. Now I know you say, why economics? Well, I love economics. I was an economic major in college. I changed to be a chef, but I love this because it really teaches you what's going on with national policy, with economics, with financial policy, and a self-help book because everyone's trying to get better. This one is about relationships that my wife gave me, which means I have to read it and report back. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, forgot about these. The blue one is the hardest one to do a lot of exercises, so you can do all kinds of stuff here. You can do stuff with your feet, put it on here. When you're sitting on a plane, you can do it. You know what I'm saying? Some sliders for the hotel room, more exercise gear, hair gel, more collagen water because I like to spend money on things I probably don't need. A pair of sunglasses. You never know when you go to the south of France. I'm Geoffrey Zakarian, and that's what's in my baggage.